Hi, my name is Jagadeesh, a proud student of School of Electronics and Electrical Engineering at LPU. And today I am here to share one of the biggest milestones of my journey with you all. I have secured a prestigious placement at Silicon Labs
with a package more than 20 lakhs.
It's a dream opportunity and I couldn't be more thrilled. Looking back, it has been an incredible journey, from the state-of-art labs to hands-on projects and research opportunities. LPU ensured that I gained not just theoretical knowledge but also practical skills that have set me apart. The faculty at LPU played a huge role in shaping my career. Their constant mentorship, industry insights, and the guidance helped me to stay ahead of the curve. Whether it was working on an innovative project, or participating in a hackathon, or attending an expert-led workshop, every experience added up to my learning. When it comes to placements, LPU's unparalleled placement support made all the difference. From mock interview to company-specific training, they prepared me for every challenge. The confidence I walked in with during my interview at Silicon Labs, that was built right here at LPU. This university doesn't just prepare you for the industry, it prepares you to lead it. Thank you LPU for shaping my journey, giving me the best opportunities and making this dream come true.